Good morning, friends. I'm Mary at Alaskan Homemaker. Today we are going to make strawberry cookie bars. It's a Russian strawberry cookie bar recipe that's really delicious. So let's get started. We need a half a cup of softened butter. And we need a half a cup of granulated sugar. And we're going to blend this up, and then we're going to add an egg. Okay, we've got it blended up. We're going to add our egg now. Now we're going to add, in a little bowl, we're going to put a half a teaspoon of baking soda. So I've got my half a teaspoon of baking soda, and we're going to add a half a teaspoon of vinegar, and we're going to let it fizz. We're going to mix that up together so it's fizzing. Okay, and now we're going to pour it over our batter. And we're going to give that a mix. Okay, and now we're going to put 2 cups plus 2 tablespoons of flour. So I've got my flour here. And I'm going to level it off. There's 1, 2 cups of flour, and 2 tablespoons. Okay, and now we're going to mix that. Looks good. Okay, I'm going to get a little bit of plastic wrap. We're going to put 2/3 onto our 13 by 9, our jelly roll pan. And I've got it covered in parchment paper. 1/3 is going to go onto this cling wrap, and we're going to freeze it for 1 hour. Okay, so it's kind of crumbly. Now I'm going to get it into a ball, squish it down into a ball. Okay, there we go. I got it squeezed into a ball. So I'm going to take 1/3 of it, and I'm going to make that into a ball. And then I'm going to put the saran wrap it up in saran wrap. And I'm going to stick this in the freezer for 1 hour. Okay, and the rest we are going to press into this parchment paper. This actually might be a 15 by 10 because this is a jelly roll pan, so it might be a 15 by 10. I think I'm going to get my rolling pin out to help a little bit. Some stuff out of the way. Making some room. And I want to, got to get this to fit into that pan, spread out evenly. So I'm going to use this rolling pin to get us started. Sticking just a bit. I don't really want to put any flour, but I might have to. Maybe I'll just put a little dust of flour. I'm just going to put a tiny bit just so hopefully my rolling pin won't stick. Now we're going to see how that fits so far. Oh, it's doing pretty good. I'm going to use a butter knife. And I'm going to cut some off where there's excess and stick it where we need a little bit more. Almost there. There we go. Now we're going to cover this with saran wrap while our other third of dough is hanging out in the freezer. That way this doesn't dry out. I'll see you on the next step. Hi friends, now we're ready to spread 1 cup of jam. I have strawberry jam. You can use any kind of jam. A tart jam would taste better. Apricot or strawberry or peach or something like that. So there's the 1 cup, and we're going to spread this evenly over these bars. Okay, that looks good. Now we're going to grate I got this frozen ball, that third of dough that we put in the freezer for an hour. I got that out, and now we're going to grate this over the top of this cookie bars. I'm going to try to get the edges first and then do the middle. This grates really easy over this. It's a cool technique too. These are really delicious, and it looks really pretty when it's baked up with these little shreds of crust on top. And you just want to get the little shreds as even as possible on there. And that looks good. And now this is going to go into the oven at 350 for 25 minutes. I'll see you in a bit. We're ready to cut the cooled off strawberry cookie bars now. So I'm just going to lift the parchment paper. This right here. We're going to sprinkle some powdered sugar on them. Okay, now we're going to cut these into squares. These are really good. They're not overly sweet, but sweet enough. They're really delicious. Y'all are going to love these. Okay, and then we're going to plate these up nicely. So I've got this tray. There we go. And there we have our beautiful strawberry cookie bars. They're so delicious. Okay, it's time for our taste test. These are so good. Wait till you try them. They're delicious. Thank you for spending time with me. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.